My name is Dr. Khushboo Jain, and I am a dentist. I graduated from a dental school in India around in 2008, so almost like 12-13 years ago, and then came to the US, went back to the dental school, and that's it. Here I am. I did not have any implant experience. Like I've watched people do it, but not really. The course was really informative. It was really good. Dr. Corey, along with the theoretical knowledge, he came up with all his case experiences, and he was able to share all that knowledge with us. So it was perfect. I think I can't wait to start implants now. So I think I want to start as soon as possible. I'm getting my implant kit from Neodent on Tuesday. So I will probably try and schedule my first patient either next week or the week after. I'm pretty pumped about it. I don't know why people travel outside of the country to learn implants. This was a great experience, and another good thing is I can follow through my cases and restore them myself, which you see the end result. I will be able to see it. If I were to take course somewhere else, you place the implant and you leave, you really don't know what's going on after that. So with this, I will be able to restore my cases and then follow through, and that's great.